unspeakably plain, but maybe they've a glimmer of potential. If I lie to my vision and brain, I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But think as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions, the lights are not all on upstairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unawares. So prepare for a chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to the teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues, and injustice deliciously squared. Be prepared, yeah, be prepared. We'll be prepared for what? For the death of the king. Why is he sick? No fool, we're gonna kill him in Simba too. Great idea, who needs a king? No king, no king, la 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 la. Idiots, there will be a king, yeah, but you said I will be king. Stick with me and you'll never go hungry again. Yeah, alright. Long live the king, long live the king, long live the king. It's great that we'll soon be connected with a king who we all time adore. Of course, quid pro quo, you're expected to take certain duties on board. The future is littered with prizes, and though I'm the main addressee, the point that I must emphasize is you won't get a sniff without me. So prepare for the coup of the century. Be prepared for the murkiest scam. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning decades of denial is simply why I'll be king undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bare. Be prepared. Yes, our teeth and ambitions are bare. Be prepared.